Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset your airdrop wireless Bluetooth headset. In this video, I'm gonna show you the airdopes 131 model I've bought, which one side of the earpiece is not working. Here in this case, right and one is left side. In this video, one of my earpiece on the left side is not working. So how to make it work and how to make it reset, I'll show you the whole process. Please don't skip the video, watch till the end. Inside the box there are a lot of this paper, this leaflet paper. Here you will see a manual book, which I could say, and here is the warranty card. Another one here, you'll find airdopes, true wireless earbud. Here and find the different problems for setting. Here product review, and another here you will find, let me show you here, single earbud uses, how to do and how to make it reset. If you read thoroughly one by one and after another, you will learn how to make it reset. In this leaflet, and I will like to show frequent asked question card in the airdopes. Here you will find earbud issue 1, earbud issue 2. One of the earbud is not working. That's what the reason I am fixing here. And here on the last leaf, I will show you here sound quality issue. If you read all this thoroughly, you will able to do what the problem you have faced. Here in this leaflet, earbud issue 1, earbuds not working, power on, charging case run out of power, reason, charge the charging case, long press on the both side for 3 seconds. Here are some of the tips that we can do. According to me, for my problem is earbud issue 2. One of the earbud is not working. How to do reset and how to make it work. That the problem that is occurring in this eardope. So I'll show you on the next video. Please continue to watch. There is how to do the reset button and how to make it work, the solution. So let's see.